So from this test we'll discuss the MCQs. So the first one is the mean of x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4 and x minus 2 is. Obviously I am not writing the options. Now how to find mean? So mean we can sum of the observations by total observations. So my observations are, one is x plus 2, next is x plus 3, then you have x plus 4 and then you have x minus 2. And how many observations are there? Obviously 4, so I'll divide by 4. So now if I add, you will have 4x plus 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is my answer, 4x plus 7 by 4. Very simple. Mean is sum of the observations by total number of observations. Moving on, next question. If each data in an observation is increased by 5, so increased by 5, then the mean is, okay, so question to কৈছে যদি এটা লিষ্ট আছে আর লিষ্টত যিমান ডেটা আছে তার যদি 5 কে বহাই দিও মিন টু কিমান বাহিব তো সিম্পল লজিক লবা লেটস সে মোর দুটা ডেটা আছে one is 10 other is 20 ভালকে ভাবিবা দেই সো নাও যদি মই এটা অৰিজিনাল নম্বৰ লও 10 and 20 তাহাতৰ মিন কি হৈ গল 10 plus 20 by 2 which is 15 এতিয়া মই কি কৰিম ইহত দুটা 5 কে বহাম সো ফার্স্ট অবজারভেশন টু 10 ৰ 15 হৈ গল और नेक्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन तो 20 ठाई 25 हो गल एतिया मोर मीन किमान होबो 15 plus 25 by 2 which is 40 by 2 and 40 by 2 is obviously 20. So as you can see original mean was 15, the new mean is 5. So kiman increase hol again 5, right? So দুটা ডেটা আইটেম লৈছিলো 5 কে বহাই দিলো mean to 5 বাহিলে so let's try this for 3 items. Let's say now I am taking 10 20 and 30 so মোৰ mean কিমান হৈ যাব এতিয়া mean হৈ যাব তোমাৰ 60 হৈ যাব প্লাস কৰিলে 60 by 3 mean হৈ যাব 20 just আমরা গোটেইটাকে 5 কে বহাও so 10 will become 15 20 will become 25 and 30 will become 35. And then if I find the new mean, so I have to add them 15 plus 25 plus 35 by 3, right? So that's your 40, 75 by 3 is again 25. As you can again see, my original mean was 20, new mean is 25, again mean has increased by 5. So question to jodi back aho jodi each observation 5 increase hoy then mean to কিমান ইনক্রিজ হ'ব 5 ইনক্রিজ হ'ব সিমিলারলি যদি এটো ডিক্রিজ আহে ডিক্রিজ বাই 5 হ'ব ইচ ডেটা তেনেহলে মিন টু 5 কমি আহিব রাইট ভেরি ইন্টারেস্টিং এনিওয়ে নেক্সট ওয়ান ফাইন্ড দ্য ম্যাক্সিমাম ভ্যালু ইফ দ্য রেঞ্জ ইজ 38 and the minimum value is 82 okay range তোমাক 38 বুলি কৈছে so that is my starting point তো আমি range কেনেকৈ উলিয়াও range is max value maximum value minus mean value, this is minimum value, right? So this is the formula for range. It am range kiman boli jano 38. So maximum value to ma uliya bodise. So I am writing it as MV maximum value and minimum value is 82, right? And then simple algebra ahibo 38 plus 82 koribami and which will give us 120. So 120 is my maximum value. Very easy. Just range of formulas anibo lage. Moving on, next question. Again, mean of question. The mean of the first 10 multiples of 5. First 10 multiples of 5. Now, what are the multiples of 5? Multiples of 5 are 5. 5 into 5 is 5 into 1 is 5, obviously. 10, 15, next is 20. Then you have 25. Then you have 30. Then you have 35. Then you have 40. And then you have 45. And then you have 50. These are the 10 multiples of 5. Now, if I find the mean, I'm ki korim eta plus korim, right? So I'll add all of this. Iman ke likhi thakibon lage dot dot 50 le likha by ki divide korim. Kita loiso ami 10 ta loiso. So I'll divide by 10 eta plus kore divide kore diba you will get the answer. This I'm giving to you very easy. Moving on, next question 5. Which of the following is an example of primary data? So here tomorrow options is like interview, interview was one option, then YouTube facile asage one option, right, like that. So yet correct answer obviously interview hobo manage disturb parisa etu because interview ki hoy we get primary data. Now what is the meaning of primary data? Primary data means investigator e nije data to uliabo কোনো কালেকশনৰ পৰা নলিয়াই, ৰাইট। তুমি যদি মোৰ ইণ্টাৰভিউ লোৱা বা মই তোমাৰ ইণ্টাৰভিউ লওঁ অবভিয়াছলি এইটো এটা নিউ ডেটা হ'ব মোৰ কাৰণে বিকজ মই নিজে ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যন কৰি উলিয়াইছোঁ, মই বেলেগৰ চ'ৰ্চৰ পৰা ইউজ কৰা নাই। চ' ডেটছ এন এক্সাম্পল অফ প্ৰাইমেৰী চ'ৰ্চ অফ ডেটা। চ' ডেটছ ইণ্টাৰভিউ এনচাৰ। নেক্সট ইজ 6 সাৰফেচ এৰিয়া ভলিউম ষ্টাৰ্ট হ'ব এতিয়া। ইন এ চিলিণ্ডাৰ ৰেডিয়াছ ইজ ডাবলড এণ্ড হাইট ইজ হাফড, কাৰ্ভ সাৰফেচ এৰিয়া উইল বি। So cylinder question hai to cylinder eta ase initially tar radius tumi dhorilo r aru height dhorilo h. This is initial situation. Etia ami tak ki koril okay, so yar CSA ki hoy tena hole initial CSA ki hobo 2 pi rh. This is the formula we know. Now it is ami situation change koru to ki koise radius is doubled. So now ৰেডিয়াছটো ডাবল কৰি দিয়াৰ লগে লগে চিলিণ্ডাৰ অকণমান এনেকুৱা ডাঙৰ হৈ যাব। তো ৰেডিয়াছ এতিয়া হৈ গ'ল 2r, কিন্তু তুমি ন'টিছ কৰা হাইট ইজ হাফ কৈছে, তো হাইটটো আধা কমাই দিলোঁ। তো ইনিচিয়েল হাইট ৱাজ h, এতিয়া হাইটটো হৈ গ'ল h/2। তো ইয়াৰ CSA কি হ'ব এতিয়া? চ' ফৰ্মুলা 2 pi r h হয়, 2 pi এতিয়া r জেগাত আহি যাব 2r, ৰাইট, আৰু হাইটৰ জেগাত আহিব h/2। চ' নাও 2 and 2 cancel. Again, as you can see, formula back to 2 pi rh level. The original was 2 pi rh. The new one is also 2 pi rh. Mane there is no change. It will remain same. Echo change nahi. Okay, I got this on. Question number 7. If the diameter of the base of a cylinder is 4 meter, so okay, so to mark diameter here as a 4 meter. So let me write it down. Diameter is 4 meter. And its height is 21, so height is 21 meter. Then find the cost of construction of the pillar at rupees 1.50 per square meter. So eta pillar banabo lage cylindrical diameter dia ase, diameter ba tumi radius 2 le leba, radius 2 la jabo. All you have to do now is to think you are going to find CSA or you are going to find TSA or something else, any combination. So obviously pillar banabo lage, so ami etu surface banabo lagibo, etu surface banabo lagibo, and obviously etu surface banabo lagibo. That means I have to find a TSA. So ami cylinder formula lagam 2 pi r into h plus r. I'll find out this area because everything is given. As etu data ulabo tar logot ami cost to multiply kori diba 1.50 and then you will get a total cost, right? So this becomes my answer. Very easy. We have to find TSA. Question number 8. Now next, if a spherical balloon grows to twice its radius, very important, twice its radius, when inflated when the air varies fully goes, then the ratio of the volume of the inflated balloon, volume or ratio to the original volume. Okay, so this is my first of all spherical balloon. So sphere, and let's say its radius is r. Tak moi inflate koi tar radius to double korilo, now radius is 2r. So tumi ki hola boge ratio of the volume of the inflated balloon. To inflated balloon prothom ta lobo lagibo. So ratio to hobo volume of the inflated balloon by the volume of the original balloon. So volume of inflated balloon by volume of original balloon. So beta sphere hai, so 4/3 volume pi, yet I got 2r whole cube. Our original to have 4/3 pi r cube because it is r also. So 4/3 pi all cancelable. Upor I got 8r cube, tolot I got just r cube, and then again you cancel r cube and r cube. So my ratio is 8:1, right? Very easy. Question 9. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is this, find its radius. So very interesting, circumference of the base of a cylinder. So cylinder base, to tomar base, let's say, to base to ki diya ase circumference. So circumference of the base. Okay, etia kotha to hol base 2 কি শেপৰ হয় obviously circle হয় তো circumference of base 2 22 দিয়া আছে তো as we said base 2 কি হয় circular হয় so circular circumference কি 2 pi r so 2 pi r equal to 22 now 2 into pi is 22 by 7 radius is right okay 22 okay very easy algebra 22 cancel r is 7 by 2 so 7 by 2 is 3.5 so my radius is 3.5 centimeter very easy MCQ I think this is the last one 10 the radii of two cylinders are in the ratio of 2:3 it radius or radii and the heights are in the ratio 5:3 find the ratio of their volumes okay तो আমি आपको रेशियो लेवल लगे रेशियो ऑफ वॉल्यूम्स की है सिलिंडर सो सिलिंडर ऑफ वॉल्यूम की है पाई आर स्क्वायर एच तो प्रथम तो कारण पाई r1 स्क्वायर h1 लो और सेकेंड तो कारण पाई r2 स्क्वायर h2 लो सेम फॉर्मूला पाई r स्क्वायर h फॉर्मूला लगाइছো जस्ट प्रथम तो कारण r1 h1 सेकेंड तो कारण r2 h2 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पाई पाई कैंसल नाउ ऑब्जर्व ए तो আমি কেনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰিম আমি লিখিব পাৰিম এটো r1 by r2 হোল স্কয়াৰ और a2 আমি কেনেকৈ লিখিম h1 by h2 now ratio to dias as well was the height of the ratio of the radii 2:3 so this is now 2 by 3 whole square and height ratio be 5 by 3 so 5:3 by 5 by 3 so it will come here so a2 has about calculation kole 4 by 9 into 5 by 3 so now okay ratio will be 20 is to 27 so this is my answer right ratio so that's all these are the MCQs I have discussed see you in the next video